टू और टू। चलिए इन दोनों वर्ड्स के सही मतलब सीखते हैं। टू इज अ preposition. It is generally used to show a relationship between two things. It is used to show direction. For example, they go to the church every day. Used as an infinitive verb. For example, I have no plans for the weekend. I want to take rest. To is an adverb or adjective. It shows to what degree something is done. For example, I wanted to buy that shirt, but it was too expensive. It also means also, as well, or in addition to. For example, my friend was going for the concert, so I thought I should go too. सिंपल है ना? ऐसे ही आसानी से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए बायो में दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए और इंग्लिश पार्टनर का कोर्स ज्वाइन कीजिए।